What's on the menu today? Definitely not this thing. This is a little homemade ring. They make it. They give it all the kids at Santa's Village. Go to blacksmith shop. I'm the biggest kid, so I got this one. Ooh, look at that. Fancy. It's not a wedding ring. Today is tool time, whatever freaking day I upload this video. I put my camera down because, you know, what the hell, right? I'm going to show you a tool. Basically, this is one of the tools I got. I have no idea what this is. Basically, it does this. You push the little button back here, and you push it sideways. And it has a little spreader bar right here, right over here. And if you push it this way, it opens up. I don't know if this is a dental tool, a miniature gynecological tool, or just some torture device that someone invented. It could be for opening something, I don't know. Or it could just be a giant, bottle opener. I'm really not sure. Don't know what it does. Not in the slightest clue whatsoever. Maybe it's I don't know. Maybe it's one of those things, they put what do they call it? They put elastic on there and they put them on lobster claws. I don't think so, because it's a little bit too small for lobsters. It's got a lock on it. I checked online. Most things just say Gilmer spreader. It's patented 2/13/12, so I'm guessing that's February 13th, 1912. Is that possible? I'll show you the little thing here. It says Gilmer. I also apologize about the the sound quality. My mic is in the process of charging. I really need to buy 2 of them. It's in pretty good shape, just got dirt in the middle here. Let me see if I can de-dirt it and see if it's actually that ugly. Let's see. I'll take some dirt off it just to see. Is it just dirt? Is it just dirt or is it rust? Yeah, looks like there's some rust on it. This is one of those tools where I don't think I would want to have to, what do you call it? This looks like just dirt, really. There's nothing else really in there. No stamping marks. There's just the name here. That's it. That's it. Anyway, that's it for that video. I do multiple tools in a video, but people in the world got short attention spans. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and tool addicts that I have a channel that sometimes has some old tools. If there's another channel with this on it, please pop in the link. I'd like to see if anybody on YouTube knows what the hell this is. Maybe, what do you call it? What's his name there? He's in Brooklyn. What's his name? Anyway, I forget what his name is. You might know. He has all kinds of cool tools. So, Mr. Pete, do you know what this is? You might know this. Who knows? Anyway, somebody asked Mr. Pete if he knows what this is. See? Here you go. I'll show you again. Looks like a giant bottle opener or some kind of weird bug. Anyway, take care. Enjoy.